This is the first video in a short series on how to use the LAOS Bridgeless minter to create an almost unlimited number of regular ERC-721 tokens on Ethereum or Polygon. Once you've created the initial collection, you won't need to pay any more ETH or MATIC to mint as many tokens as you like. Currently, LAOS is being built and tested on Kusama as KLAOS, and in this video we're going to connect a Metamask wallet to grab some free KLAOS test tokens from a Faucet. First off, click the Connect Wallet button to open Metamask, and choose the account you want to connect. You'll see your public address in the top right corner. Click on the address to copy it to the clipboard. Now, click on the Get LAOS Test Tokens buttons to go to the Faucet. Paste your address in the field and click Submit. With that done, click on the Add LAOS Testnet button to connect Metamask to the KLAOS Kusama chain. You can now open Metamask, where you should see that you have 0.1 KLAOS test tokens. With that done, we can move on to the next video where we'll create a collection.